In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple locations in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. We'll walk through how to turn on location tracking, choose the level that fits your team, and optionally use geofencing so time is tied to the right place. Make sure you're signed in as an admin on a laptop browser for the best experience. Start by logging in to your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Company Settings. This is where all account-wide preferences live. Scroll down until you find the Location section. This is the control center for how QuickBooks Time handles location data. Under Location Tracking, choose how strictly you want to enforce it. Required means team members must have location tracking on in order to clock in. This is great when you need strong compliance for job costing or safety. Optional lets team members decide for themselves whether to share location. It's flexible and can be a good starting point if you're introducing the feature. Off turns location tracking off completely, which you might use for office-only teams or roles where location simply isn't relevant. If you want to set boundaries around work sites, enable geofencing by checking Enable Geofencing. Then adjust the geofence radius to match the size of your job site. A smaller radius is useful for precise locations, like a storefront, while a larger radius can accommodate big outdoor areas. The radius determines how far someone can move before they're considered outside the work area, which helps reduce accidental punches from the wrong location. With these settings in place, locations for jobs or customers can be tracked automatically for all team members, keeping timesheets tied to the right place without extra steps. Remind your team to allow location permissions on their devices and in their browser so tracking works reliably. When you're ready to review location data, head to Reports, then Tracking, and choose Hours by Location. This report lets you see hours grouped by the locations you care about. You can also check the system log under My Team to view detailed location activity and confirm things are working as expected. Use these views to spot discrepancies, verify coverage across multiple sites, and support accurate payroll and job costing. That's all you need to manage multiple locations in QuickBooks Time from your laptop browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.